The most important aspects on nailing brewhouse repeatability is having a firm grasp on water. If you have too much water, you're probably going to end up with too much wort at the end, therefore having a dilute product as well as waste. Remember, we're just trying to fill 2 kegs at the end here. If you have too little water and end up with too little wort, you're going to have a stronger product, but you might short yourself on the kegs. And what we want to do is hit it right on the head. So I prefer to think about water in the kind of opposite direction. I start with the end goal in mind, and the end goal, if we're brewing a double batch, is 2 kegs, 10 gallons or 38 liters. And then I work up the chain. So the purpose of this video is to show you where we lose water and how much we can kind of account for in each step. Let's take the brew I reference in the Montana mock brew, and let's do a quick water write-up on that. So we'll start US customary side first. We want to end with 10 gallons of beer, and we're going to do a kind of a running tally as we go further up the chain. So right here we're at 10, and if we figure on 0.5 and 0.5, so 1 gallon total in hop particulate and solids, we're up to 11. If we brew for 60 minutes, we need another gallon, and that brings us up to 12. Figuring out 0 for the mash tun space, we're still at 12. And then remember that US measurement was 20 pounds of grain. So quick calculation here, 20 times 0.1 gives us 2 gallons of water. So 12 plus 2 is 14 gallons of total water needed to end up with 10 gallons of beer here. As far as the metric side, that 20 pounds that we use in the Montana mock brew, that is 9 kilograms of grain. So we're going up here, we want to finish with 38 liters, and if we figure on losing 2 liters per, that's 38 plus 2, which becomes 42 liters. If we boil for an hour and lose 4 liters to evaporation, that becomes 46 liters. Nothing in the mash tun because we're going to pull up that bag and then drain that extra wort. And remember, 0.8 times 9, that is 7.2 liters, or if we do a nice round even number, we would be at 8 liters times 1. So 1 times 8 would be that. So again, 38, 42, 46, 46 plus 7 is 53. Or if we use that kind of bigger, more conservative estimate, that would be 38 plus 4, 42, 46, and 55 liters.
Did you know this video is actually a small clip from a more comprehensive brewing class? To learn more about beer brewing from my 2 courses, check out the links below. To support our homesteading channel and join our awesome community, chatting about beers, gardening, DIY, short-term rental hosting, woodworking, and more, become a patron on Patreon. Finally, if you receive value from this video, we'd appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, or commented below to help the algorithm share this video with other homebrewers around the world. Thanks.